It's just a quickish video. So these plugs were like brand new, probably 2-3 miles on them, 4 maybe, I don't know, not a lot. This is in the wagon. The wagon's burning oil. Currently I'm doing a hot soak on it right now, but basically what it did is it you can see that it fouled him pretty good, so it was even getting a pop. So all I do is I take brake cleaner, brass brush. There's a reason for that. A lot of these, I don't know about the new plugs, but definitely the older ones, there's an anti-corrosion layer, a very thin layer. So it's Amazon delivery. It's a really thin anti-corrosion layer, which if your car is going to be, old car, parked for a couple weeks, wintertime, low driving, you might need that. But regardless, brass brush. It doesn't really make a big difference between cleaning wise the brass and the stainless on this. I'm just doing a basic wipe. I've already done 7. So this is step 1 of my defouling. So you can see a little bit clean up. With this method, you're not going to get the inside piece white. You can do that with a sandblaster spark plug cleaner thing, but this way is one of those you really won't be able to get. You don't want to use for reading your spark plugs this way, but it will, as it shows here, it did get rid of all the buildup that was on the electrode and the straps. So that's what really matters. Like I said, these are real new. They just fouled out quickly with the blow-by on the stuck ring on the wagon. You can kind of see the fluid down there by that tire. I turned the crank and made sure it washed all of it out. Right now I'm just charging the battery, getting ready to I'm gonna put my jump box on it too, because usually they're gonna be hating life to try to crank over and fire, so I'll put the box on it. These aren't the plugs I'm gonna put in it. I have another set that I already cleaned up, did the same process that I replaced them with. So I do have a spark plug checker coming. That's going to be in the next video, because what I'm going to do is, when I had these plugs in, I started getting a pop when I was just heading back from where I was, so roughly 3 miles away. When I got there, I went to Lugnut's house. So when I was coming back, it started popping, backfiring out the exhaust. So at the time, I forgot to do the wires first and then the plugs. So I don't know, that could have been the wires, or it could have been one of these plugs that got overly fouled. I can't tell. So I'm going to use the spark plug checker actually to go through all these, and I have a bunch more. Where I put them? I did a bunch of them last night. So here's my spark plug collection. So these are all 45s, hot burners. And then these are 44s. And then these are 44s. So you got 44s, and these are 45s. So the ZZ block takes 45s. I got 45s in the wagon right now, obviously, because it was burning oil. So it helps running a hotter plug not to foul out as fast. And the other problem is it's getting most of my vehicles get short drives, so they don't get time to burn out the plugs or clean the plugs out from burning out. So short distances, I like to run the 45s, the hotter plugs, because I don't get the highway and good driving for cleanups. So yeah, that's the way it goes. But now these are what, $4 or $5 a piece, somewhere around there. So this is why you see me now. Originally I was keeping these because I use them when I paint. So I got another set right here. I know it's hard to see, but the reason why I keep these back then was when I paint the heads or the block, I put these old ones in it, so they plug the holes. So good thing I started keeping all these with the price and everything. So most of these is a quick torch job, clean up the fouling, and you're good to go again, instead of paying $5 a piece. So it's $40 to $50 to do a spark plug change. And these are copper, the cheapest ones. So like that platinum, uranium, Superman moleculed, newer stuff, that's $10, $15 a plug. It's one of those that really sucks, because if you would have just known that, I would have stocked up and bought 100 or so of these at $1 a piece. It's one of those that sucks. I was out of the card game for a while. Went from like $1.09 or so a plug, and got back in the game, which you're talking within a year or two, and now they're $5 a piece. So, that may help. It works for me. So next video, like I said, I'll show the spark plug checker, and we'll put all these through. I'll even do these.